Meeting?
No, we are coming back. I'm just going home to see my mother and coming back.
So what has happened in the meeting?
The meeting is not conclusive. We're just seeing what is going on. We're trying to assess the ground situation.
No, but what is the ground situation you are trying to assess? Because you all had a meeting yesterday.
Alright.
Today again tumka meeting assembly session
See what happens
what it is?
when the rumors are becoming very strong. One has to be careful. You can't just dismiss the rumors, though normally we dismiss them. But one should not dismiss the rumors because you never know when there's no smoke without fire.
So rumors are there. You confirm it now.
You have told it. You have said it, and you all have also said that these are rumors. So we have to take stock of the situation. We can't keep sleeping.
One more thing is that the number game talks about everywhere. Number game.
Yeah.
So is Advocate Carlos somewhere in this number game? Or again you will say I'm not there.
I have told you from the beginning.
Yeah.
Someone has to approach me and make an offer to me. Until that conversation starts, what will be my answer?
No.
Offering?
No, but you are waiting for an offer?
Do you think?
I don't think. But I'm asking you.
Answer is everything in with you all. But you know the answer, but you want it from my mouth, no?
But you are also aware that rumors are facts. Why such a need arises for your MLAs, only for Congress MLAs, to move or to jump? What is this? What is the faith of people who voted for you all?
I myself can't understand. When BJP has got 20, why would they need more? You're understanding?
Yeah.
So I'm also perplexed why they would need, if they need, or they are wanting to take Congress MLAs or any MLA. I can understand 1, 2, they may take to have 21.
But why even the Congress MLAs cannot guarantee the people of Goa saying that, Baba, we will stand where we are?
I can give guarantee for myself. I am not having power of attorney on behalf of anyone. So I can't make any statement on others. But I think people will have to touch their minds and souls and give an answer.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.